Hindi ko rin naman po na-visualize yung, like, kung ano man yung ginagawa ko ngayon for my career. Pero, yes, ito yun. Ito po yung tinatahak ng career ko rin po.
You know, the first time I interviewed you, I'm here.
Yes, po.
No? You were about this high when we visited the set of Tropang Pochi.
Oh my God.
And where you won Best Child Host along with Bianca Umali and Lian Valentin, who now have their own thriving careers, diba? Solo careers in acting. So hopefully you would follow them in having your own solo career. And then I remember watching you in that action fantasy of GMA, Panday Kids. You were there, right?
Wow, thank you so much for remembering. I mean, it's been so long eh. Like, ang tagal na po siya. Thank you so much for remembering.
And I remember another show with Ding Dong, Genesis. You were there, right?
I was not there po.
Wala ka ba doon? Sino yung bata doon na kasama nila? I remember kasi may bata kasama si Ding Dong din eh.
Not sure
So,
lang po.
hindi pala ikaw yun. No? Anyway, congratulations. When I first saw you in Game Boys, I was surprised with you being paired with Kyle Vilino, right?
Yes po.
And now here, watching you then as a child star, I never thought I'd be seeing you, watching you doing all the things that you've been doing in this movie.
I mean, same naman po. I mean, hindi ko rin naman po na-visualize yung, like, kung ano man yung ginagawa ko ngayon for my career. Pero, yes, ito yun. Ito po yung tinatahak ng career ko rin po.
So, aren't you afraid that you might be typecast playing in gay roles?
Oh, well, hindi po ako natatakot kasi first of all, it's part of the job na para gawin po yung mga, you know, to be versatile, na makapag-explore sa mga characters and not just, I mean, kung mabigyan pa ako ulit, why not? Kung mabigyan ako ulit ng, like, ng character, no, na nasa, like, LGBT, I mean, it's a privilege to do such, no, first of all, storytelling, makapagkwento ka. Yun, pribileyo po yun, malaking bagay po sa akin yun.
Miggy, you seem like a very nice, young, presentable gentleman. So, where did you get, and looking you, performing Santino on screen is obviously a career-defining role and character. So I'm just wondering, where did you get that viciousness of Santino and the vulnerability at the same time? He's emotionally manipulative, and he wants to express power over his partner, and using sex not just a emotional expression, but to overpower his partner or his partners. Where did you get that viciousness and vulnerability balance?
Siguro po I can start saying because I love watching movies. Doon po siguro kasi parang growing up, I love watching movies, and then doon ako nag-focus sa mga I love psychotic movies also. Yung mga malaki yung problema ng mga character. Like I love like characters of Evan Peters. Siguro doon siya nag-start, and then I really wanted na magkaroon ako ng character na sobrang ang daming layers. Yun yung nag-challenge po sa akin. Feeling ko that will keep the fire burning sa Passion You, which is yung hindi na siya ganun like hindi na yung mga like stagnant characters. You get to challenge yourself. You get to ask yourself po na ano pa ba yung hindi dapat, ano pa ba dapat yung mga lumabas sa yung mga tinatawag nating simpleng presentation. Parang I feel like it bores me kapag sobrang flat lang nung character, kasi kahit sino po pag pinanood natin, pag sobrang flat nung character, parang walang buhay. Yun po.
Okay, so just to clarify, your mom was here earlier, but she walked out. She left.
It's her birthday then kasi tomorrow, so
okay.
Like, ayaw niya lang siguro ma-overwhelm and stuff.
In the middle of the movie?
Sabi ko lang, kasi like, she wasn't, kasi parang hinadsapan niya na po ako na she's going to leave na kasi nga like parang baka daw hindi niya kayanin kasi like syempre I mean I understand being bunso din po eh. And sabi ko po sa kanya if I texted her na lang, sabi ko if you're not comfortable na watching, you can leave. I understand, wala pong problema doon. I feel like hindi ko po masasagot yun as of now, pero kung ano po yung bigay sa akin, kaya naman pong pag-usapan yun and kung ano po yung mabigay na blessing. Yes, sir. Yes, of course, I had ng mga like, thoughts no, na kasi kailangan ko pong kausapin talaga yung sarili ko. Na it had a lot to take in to process it in the first of all. Pero yun nga, like what Cedric said po na ginabayan kami ng malala ng management namin, which is the Idea First Company with Direk Percy, with Direk June, Direk Ivan, everyone. Pinalawak nila sa amin at pinaintindi nila sa amin yung kung bakit din namin gagawin yun in the first place and kung bakit din ganun yung dynamics yung story, bakit ganun yung character. So with that, namulat din kami na kung bakit din yung para magkaroon kami ng rason pa para mas kumapit po, mas gawin yung mga eksena ng the way it should be presented. Well, to be honest, awkward na kasi yung sitwasyon po, no? So parang kami nila Pao, nila Cedric, as much as possible before po mag-take ulit, we huddle. Nag-huddle po kami. Na pinag-uusapan po namin na kaya natin to, na we can do this. Wala namang dapat ikahiya. Kasi una-una sa lahat, yun yung trabaho namin, doon siya umiikot. And part siya eh. So kailangan po namin na lunukin din namin yung, kailangan namin tumalon po eh. Kasi hindi lang naman trabaho po namin yung iniisip namin, marami pong nagtatrabaho around us sa set. It's not just about us. So once na nag-commit kami, we have to fully commit po. Yun po. For Tino, the takeaway ko po siguro kay Tino is we're very much different po kasi. So parang ang takeaway ko po siguro, ito yung character po na first time ko talagang naramdaman na siya yung nag-control sa akin. Na while on set, si Tino yung gumagalaw kay Miggy. Hindi nawawala yung personality ko as Miggy while doing it po. And parang that's one of the things na hindi ko po in-expect. Kaya ang laki po, parang biggest takeaway ko po yun lalo sa acting career ko po. Yun. Same po, shocking. Pero siguro mas nangingibabaw po yung overwhelming na feeling, mixed emotions. Kasi unang-una sa lahat, I'm proud of it. I'm proud of the work that we did. At the same time, syempre meron akong mga reflection lang sa sarili ko po na like, yun pala yung mga ginawa namin. Kasi may tendency ako na hindi ko po napapansin yung ginagawa ko while doing the scene. And then nakikita ko lang siya pag once na pinanood ko na po yung sarili ko. But I'm happy. I'm proud. I'm proud of what we did.
Okay, no regrets.
Oh?
No regrets.
No regrets po. Kasi lahat naman po yun, may mga natutunan kami lahat. So, and it's a journey na like one for the books. Sobrang one for the books. It was good. It was, masarap siya. Kasi, you don't get to do that every day. No? Parang, at the same, yun na nga, parang, again, ulitin ko po, it was awkward, no? It's already awkward, so bakit niyo po, ba't pa namin gagawing awkward palalo? So, might as well enjoy it na lang, tapos bigay na lang namin yung respects namin sa characters namin, which is, deserve kasi ng characters namin yun. Yun po. So I feel like same. I feel like it's the perfect ending na deserve ng lahat ng characters na pinag-ikutan. Lalong-lalo na with my character din kasi I feel like maraming yun yung ano yun yung parang kumbaga parang root ng mga sinimulan na problema ni Tino. And then syempre at the end of the day yun hindi naman nakukuha lahat ng gusto mo eh. Hindi mo rin naman pwedeng ipilit lahat eh. So wala na akong hihingin ibang ending kundi yung ending na pinili naming draft.